Them sell illusion. Babylon system built on confusion. Cameras watching, laws get tight. Still I walk tall, still I ignite. Concrete jungle, cold and grey, but I got fire, I blaze my way. No fake God, no dirty coin, just lion blood and sacred joint. Burn it anyway, let the smoke rise. One draw cut through all them lies. Burn it anyway, no fear, no shame. Mind stay sharp in this dirty game. Them never fed, we only fed war. We plant seed, they build the bar. But I don't kneel, I don't beg, I stand strong, unbroken leg. This herb is truth, this flame is rage. I write my name on every cage. And when they come with badge and gun, I burn again, I never run. Burn it anyway, let the smoke rise. One draw cut through all them lies. Burn it anyway, no fear, no shame. Mind stay sharp in this dirty game. So light that fire, don't ask no man. Free your soul, stick to the plan. The world is mad, but I stay sane. With smoke in lungs and roots in veins.
With a smile, burning slow, I stay in style. No suit, no tie, no master plan. Just open heart and open hand. I smoke and stand, I don't bow down. Feet on the earth, eyes on the crown. I roll my truth in a paper thin. Inhale peace, exhale sin. They sell you fear, they sell you fame, but none of that can heal your pain. I sit with trees, I sit with sound, and find my strength in sacred ground. So light it up for those who fight, to live with honor, live with right. We're not alone, we're not afraid. We blaze the path that can't be made. I smoke and stand, I don't bow down. Feet on the earth, eyes on the ground. I roll my truth in a paper thin. Inhale peace, exhale sin. So pass the fire hand to hand. We build a world they'll never bend. No hate, no guns, no blood, no skin. Just smoke and stand. to clear my head. No plan, no map, just stars instead. Storm came down, waves got wild. Next thing I know, I'm a castaway child. Woke up on shore of golden sand. No city noise, just sea and land. A woman smiled, she say you stay. Eat from the tree, rest through the day. The island found me, I didn't find it. Lost in the world, now I don't mind it. They gave me fire, they gave me leaf. I took one puff and I found my peace. No clocks here, no shoes to wear. No phone buzzing, no market square. Just rhythm drums and coconut wine, and smoke that make the stars align. I used to run, now I just breathe. I used to want, now I believe. Sometimes you got to get lost at sea to find the place you're meant to be. The island found me, I didn't find it. Lost in the world, now I don't mind it. They gave me fire, they gave me leaf. I took one puff and I found my peace. So if you're tired of the noise and speed, come find the shore where your soul can feed. Take a draw and just be free. Maybe the island will find you like me.
Morning breeze, herb in my hand, I give thanks with ease. Pressure outside, but I don't let it in. I find my balance, I breathe and begin. Too many voices tell me what to chase, but I find wisdom in a slower pace. One little spark and I start to feel this world is illusion, but Jah is real. Smoke rolling slow, ease my mind. All the worry far behind. No hate, no haste, no ties that bind. Just love and of the healing kind. No diamond shine like peace inside. No throne more high than natural pride. I walk with roots, I speak with flame. I burn the leaf, I call Jah name. Every jar of meditation, sacred plant my elevation. No need for gold or crown to wear, just open lungs and open air. Smoke